It's Fred Kobe with your Kobe Cooling tip for the day. Somebody asked me today how long an air conditioner will last. Well, the truth is it'll last as long as you take care of it. We removed an air conditioner a couple of years ago that was 39 years old, and it was still running when we took it out. It's true that air conditioners do break down, but they normally break because of their environment. Think about where your machine sits and how hard it's working. In Florida, we're working our machines pretty hard. Take care of the unit outside, keep things away from it, make sure the sprinkler's not hitting it, and keep it protected from the elements. Inside, filter, filter, filter. I can't say that enough. Make sure you're using the right filter, and make sure you're servicing the filter routinely. If you do that, you'll get every last day out of the air conditioner's life, however long that is. How long do air conditioners last? I would say in Florida, the average air conditioner should last 15 years. If you're not making it that far, it's time to find a new contractor. This is your tip of the day by Fred Kobe.